Sorry about that cut-off, guys. Roberta made me do this stupid bloody cut-off. But anyways, we are just still at Haymarket because I just took a picture of those four over there. And Roberta just snatched my phone off of me and then stopped this silly video. So that was her fault, all Roberta's fault. So she better say sorry to me right now, because she doesn't feel like saying sorry to me because she's always cheeky and goes all the time. Okay, about to arrive now is the ScotRail service from Glasgow Queen Street to Edinburgh Waverley. I don't even know what the time is for this train, but you can tell me in the comments down below. It's 42335-1s. 38107 is at the front. Also arriving is the 11:31 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glasgow Central. It's 42335-0s. 35123 is at the rear of that train. Also arriving is the 11:30 ScotRail service from Leven to Edinburgh Waverley. 400 class 170, as you heard the announcement, it was 403 carriages. It's 174.70. So 173.93 to 396 and 174.70 and 471 don't have first class. About to depart now is the ScotRail service from Glasgow Queen Street to Edinburgh Waverley, and also the 11:31 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glasgow Central works by 385044 at the front. And 385-009 is at the rear, and also 385-123 at the rear, and I don't know what's at the front again, working as ScotRail service from Glasgow Queen Street to Edinburgh Waverley, also departing. And there they all go. Let me just see if that leaving service has departed. No, it has not. Perfecto. Just about to leave. Made it just in time for that departure. Yeah. Okay, it's time to head down to the platform. And here we are on the platform, and our train was going to be formed of 6 carriages, so that means it's 2385-0s. And there it is on the board just now. Okay, arriving in now is the 11:33 Trainspotting Express service from Manchester Airport to Edinburgh Waverley, for a class 397. 397012.
Manchester Airport, no?
Yes, it's from Manchester Airport, Michael. You're correct. And that train is very busy. And then it is just arriving, making a lot of noise. Arriving in now is the 11:35 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen, works by HST 43145 is at the front. And there it is just arriving. I'll get the rear on departure. Okay, about to depart now is the 11:35 ScotRail Intercity service from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen, works by 43145 at the front. And it's a lady driver this time. Don't usually see lady drivers. And there's that lady just starting the engine and about to move. Off it goes. These trains go so slowly out of stations. We might be getting one of those trains home on the 1541 train from Inverness to Edinburgh Waverley. We might be getting that train from Stirling. I'm not sure. We might wait for the 403. Also arrives our train, the 1138 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Dunblane. 43035 is at the rear of this train. .385.012's at the front, and I think 385.002 might be at the rear. I'm not sure. I might see it when we're at Stirling. There it is, stopping right there. We'll see you on board, guys. We're now departing Haymarket and make our way over to Stirling. But anyways, hands up if you're excited to go to Stirling Castle. Excellent, everybody's got their hands up, including me. Anyways, we'll see you at Stirling, guys.